Ciao Tesla people, just got a notification that I have a software update and it's the 2024.8.9. Here I connected to Wi-Fi. Let me go to the software and it's downloading. Most likely this software update is just bug fixes. I checked the release notes, it doesn't mention anything, and the previous one was .7, so there should be a software update just for bug fixes. So anyway, the download of the software is started, so it will take a bit to download. Then I will start the installation and then I'll do a time lapse, and then at the end we'll see if there are any changes or anything. So let's see how long does it take. So it's done to do the download. Let's do the start software update. Okay, install now. Let's click so we don't waste time, and that's it. And it starts the download. Now it should take probably half an hour. It's 11:20, probably a bit less if it's just bug fixes. Anyway, for you it will take 2-3 seconds, and that's it. Here. So looks like it's done. It took less than probably 20 minutes, 25 minutes. So it's less than what usually it does. And let's check it out if we're up there. Yeah, 2024.8.9. Everything is okay. I'm still waiting for the navigation data. The update is still in February. There should be an update soon. Anyway, the release notes doesn't say anything. It just says bug fixes and improvements. So I'll keep an eye on it because usually there are some undocumented changes that Tesla does, and after a few days people figure out changes. Anyway, everything went well. Took not much, so probably it's just bug fixes related to the previous software update. And I'm going to leave my Tesla referral in the description. If you check it out, if you do a Tesla test drive, or if you buy Tesla, use my referral. And also the links about the accessories I install on my Tesla Model Y. Please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on next video. Ciao Tesla people.